Eliminating manual quality checks, waste, and rejects is key to supercharging production. Our optional quality control module does just that by monitoring print runs for density and front-to-back registration issues in real time. This is especially helpful for longer sheets, which can be more prone to these issues. If the quality control module detects a problem, it corrects it automatically so you can stay on schedule for delivery. Real-time detection and correction is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start by opening the job properties at the Fiery Print server. Select the Image tab, then scroll to the Image Stability section. Select Density Fluctuations, then Correct Density Fluctuations. Next, select Detect Registration Misalignment, followed by Correct Registration Misalignment. Sheets will be printed with density patches and alignment marks to guide the quality control module's monitoring. If an issue is found by the quality control module's embedded full-width array scanners, it will communicate with the press automatically to make corrections. No operator intervention needed. The time this saves, especially with long runs and extra long sheet jobs, unlocks the potential for more jobs per shift. The quality control module delivers another powerful benefit specifically for the Proficio PX300 production press: hands-off alignment profile setup. Log into the production user interface as administrator. Go to Device, Maintenance, then Inline Sensor. Tap Alignment Adjustment, then specify media and test pattern details. Tap Start. The press will print 10 charts and automatically recommend the necessary adjustments. Name the profile and tap OK. Define your named profile as a type, then associate it with a tray. That's it. In just a few moments, you can use the quality control module's automation to propel more efficient, accurate production. To learn more about how the Xerox Proficio production series can help perfect your print operation, visit us online.